Hello and welcome to Alice Blue's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn how to download the P&L statements via the Ant web trading platform. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Ant web trading platform. Navigate to the Apps section, click on Bot, and you will be redirected to this dashboard. Now go over to Report and click on P&L. You will reach this page, and from here, you can download the P&L statement. Now you can see all of these options here. So if you want to increase or decrease the amount of data in your downloaded report, you can just narrow it down through all of these options. So the first option that we can see is the segments option. Now segments represent the different types of trading and investing options available. Now here you can choose from equity, futures and options, MCX, currency, or if you just want to include everything, you can just click on all. Next, we have the P&L type. P&L type refers to the data you want to see in the report. It can be realized, meaning it shows you the actual profit or loss from the trades you bought and sold. Then there is unrealized. Now this shows the potential profit or loss you can expect from the stocks you are still holding. Meaning the profit and loss from the stocks you haven't sold yet because you're still holding on to it. Combined, as the name suggests, is the combination of both realized and unrealized PL. Next, we have symbol. Now this is used to filter by a specific stock name. Like here we have INFY by default or Infosys. So if I select this, then I will only get Infosys stocks as P&L reports. If you want a complete report of all the stocks that you own, then you can just leave this field blank. Finally, you can see a date range. Now, you can adjust this in order to get either a longer or a shorter date range. Click on this arrow and you can see a detailed report of your realized P&L, charges and taxes, other credits and debits, net realized P&L, and unrealized P&L. If you scroll down further, you can see the stocks that you bought as well. Now, to your right side, you can see this download button. If you click on this, your P&L statement will get downloaded in the form of an Excel sheet. Now, if you have an Excel sheet installed, you can directly open it from there. If you don't, you can just open it through Google Sheet instead, and it will get opened like this. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss out on any updates from us. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.